Hey guys, Mark here. Welcome to another one of my videos. In this one, we're going to take a look at another beautiful knot originating from Argentinian breeders. This one is a flat knot with a herringbone-like look. Here we have a nice example of our knot. It is done in two colors, and you can see a distinct zigzag pattern. For me, it reminds me of a herringbone knot. The knot has basically the same pattern on the other side, the colors are just reversed. So on the front, we have red, green, red. On the back, we have green, red, green. The knot is not the easiest one to tie, but it's not really difficult either. To demonstrate the tying process, I'm going to be using a cardboard surface, a bunch of pins, and two cords, each 4 feet long. We're going to start tying by taking our two cords, folding them in half, and crossing them. Like this. Take this top cord, pass it under here, and this bottom cord, pass it under here, creating an S shape. Take this top left end, weave under, over, under, and this bottom right end, weave under, over, under. Again, creating an S shape. Take this end and pass it alongside this end, over, under. And this end, over, under, over. Take this end, under, over, and this end, under, over too. Take this end again and pass over, under, then over two, under one, over one, under one, and over one. And this end, under, over, like this, then under, over, under two, over two, and under one. Like this. Now we're going to take this end and we're going to pass under one over 2, then under 2, over 2, under 1, over 2, and under 1. And our final chord passes over 2, under 1, like this, then over 1, under 2, over 2, under 2, and over 2. And this ties our knot. To tighten up the knot, you can initially pull on the 4 ends. So not too hard, just a bit. So something like this. Then start removing slack from one end, bringing the slack into the other end. So I start here, removing some slack, and pulling it into the other end. Do the same thing with the other cord. So you start with one end, and you bring the slack into the other end. So at this point, you can already see the pattern. I'm going to do my tightening probably one more time, and that finishes the knot. So, something like this. And that's our knot. I love how it looks, and for me, it's not really that hard to tie. Demonstrating it was a lot more challenging. Thank you very much for joining me today. Consider supporting the site on Patreon, and see ya next time.